sellers for engine parts. I think I used Colorado Air Parts, and this one is from Flying Colors Air Parts. So let's get to it. Aircraft spruce. Alright, so we got MurderCub stuff, a couple of breeze clamps, and a mag pickup for the RPM sensor. And this is the BNC starter. So we got the starter and some more firewall forward stuff. MurderCub. And what else there? Alright, so this is a triangle box. I had a bunch of surplus really nice piano hinges. I don't have the internal wire for it, so these are for these, so I can finish up this fit. So all the doors on the Cub, we'll cut those piano hinges, and that will be for that. And let's get this guy open. Alright, so this should be a set of yellow tag prop governor drive gears for the 540 that's going in the Comanche. So that's them there. So we'll throw this over on the engine build table. So that's coming along. More stuff about here. Alright, more aircraft spruce. Take these out so you're not throwing away hardware. Alright, we got some wire sleeves, shielding for some of the firewall. Should be some heat raid stuff. Alright, some small bits here. So, here is some little pieces to finish some of the rigging firewall forward. Those are the little swivel clamps for wire cables. Got some AN fittings, ignition wire pass through, your baffling, AN fittings, and some bolts. So, this is all Cub. Gonna be pretty close to wrapping up what I need to finish the firewall forward. This is a new Ray Allen G106 stick grip for the Cub. It's got an old dirty motorcycle grip on the bar currently, so we'll cut that off, clean it up, and then this will go on with a push to talk. So Cub. Some Aeroquip steel braided line for some fuel lines. And what's that? Alright, air power. This should be all engine stuff. Alright, so lots of engine parts. You've got all your bearings, basically, any gaskets, all your O-rings, bearing crankshaft for the front, we got a bearing for the connecting rods, and you got more bearings there, all your new nuts for the connecting rods, more packings. Got a full set of new lifters, and this should be a crankshaft bearing, and the new one-piece cam. So boxes inside of boxes. wrapped up. We'll get into that in another video when we start pulling this apart and putting it in the case and putting it together. So I'm going to move these over to I definitely ordered 12 of these. Only 12. Maybe in this box here. There they are. So 8 and 4 more. So for any lifters on it, you can get these redone and reuse old parts. But I'm kind of building 2 motors here. It's going to probably be one new set anyway. So this will be the one that goes in our engine, and this is all the O-540. Okay. These are cylinders. This will open up one. So I ordered these from Air Power. They got shipped directly to Lycon out in California. So we have these ones ported and polished. They went ahead, they got the rings and installed those there while they have them and do the cylinder work. And the benefit of the work that they do on these is you're going to get probably anywhere from maybe 5 to 10 extra horsepower out of the whole lot. Just get a lot better flow on your cylinders, and for what they charge to do it, probably the best thing you can do to really get these engines breathing and performing a little better. So all Superior new kits, which they come with everything that you need except for piston pins. You got to order those separate. And so that's the cylinder inside there. So it's all built up, ready to go. And like I said, Lycon installed the rings, got them for me. So those will be ready to just go straight on the plane. Comes with your install kit and everything ready to go. The Superiors also come with new rocker covers, bare, so you can paint those any color you want to. We'll do this engine. We'll probably just build it regular Lycon or Lycoming gray as if it was stock. And that's it. So we got 6 of those going on the engine. That's pretty much it for everything we got. I guess we can show you this BNC starter. There's a couple different options you got. Realms of starters on here. This one is not that much lighter than most, but it's a really compact starter. Everything's kind of in one little spot. It's not really, doesn't have that long. And everyone I've known who's ran these, they're pretty much bulletproof and they last forever. And they're kind of modular, the way they're put together. They're very rebuildable between the solenoid and the motor. So went that route for this Cub, and that's pretty much it. So we'll start getting all the stuff in the right spots and putting it back together, and see you next time.